Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how I do my goddess box braids. This is not my first rodeo. I've done like 3 in the past and I just love them. They're like my favorite potato style to do. So I'm just excited to get them back. I haven't had them since like earlier this year, so I'm excited and I'm gonna show you guys what I will be using. So I will be using this Freetress braid crochet bohemian braid. This is what makes the curl effect and it makes the look. And yeah, so this, I'm kind of mad that I got like black. I should have got like a little brighter brown or something, but it is what it is. You know, I can make it work. And then I got Just Braid pre-feathered. This is 3X, so it's a big pack. So I got this. This is in 4, so this is like brown, not light brown, but just brown. So yeah, that. And then I got this. If you guys remember my other video that I had, that how I did my dreads. This is the hair that I had used to start off those dreads. This, why am I doing like this? Sorry. No, but this is Dr. Braid. I got like 3 bundles left of that, so I will be using that, which is brown, and it will like make like a little mixture of colors. Like, it's not gonna be like so super noticeable, but it will be like, it will be noticeable if you're like close to me, but it's gonna make the look. So this is what I'm looking for, is fall season, and I just want that brown, like that brown look. You know, I didn't get a light brown, but you know, brown, like I love brown and it reminds me of the fall. So I am excited, guys, you know, to get this started. I will be showing you guys how I do it. I won't show you guys the entire process when, you know, I'm struggling 8 hours. It takes 8 hours, guys, especially when you do it by yourself. So right now it's 12:03. It's 12:03 is probably like blurry. It's 12:03. So I will probably get done like around 7 or 8. So, cause you know, you gotta take your breaks and stuff. So, but I'm ready though. I'm ready. I'm gonna make them like a little big. So, not too big though, but yeah, I'm excited. And you know, I just love, you know, guys, box braids is my favorite style, like potato style. So, I will see you guys when I'm done, I guess. Hey guys, so I tried something new where I had didn't balance the hair with the curly piece. I had made it like a little unbalanced because I wanted to try to see if it would like do something different, but that was the last time I'm gonna do that because it's like hanging lower than what I wanted it to. So I will be cutting this piece, but I was just trying something new and it didn't really turn out how I thought it would. And yeah, so that was the last time I was gonna do it. I just wanted to try it out and it didn't come out the way I would have liked it to. So yeah, but alright, let's keep it going. Alright guys, let me see if I can see. I'm done with the first section on the bottom. I got 4 braids in. I'm sorry if you guys couldn't really see me do it like behind. That's just because my position is really bad. But yeah, I got the back done. Not the back done, but the first section of the back done. And it turned out pretty good, I guess, you know. I'm really liking it, and I was kind of struggling a little bit because I haven't really braided like this in a while, but you know, I'm just keep it going. I didn't braid it all the way to the bottom because I might be curling it a little bit. I'm debating if I am or not, but even if I don't curl it, I will still put it in boiling hot water to make sure like it doesn't unravel. But yeah, I'm really liking how it's looking. Let me turn it around for you guys. You can see, I don't have a mirror to look to see if it's perfect in the back, but I'm really like making sure like I'm careful when I part it so I know like it's not too bad. But and plus I don't really think the back is too important sometimes, but you know, tomato. But I'm really liking it. I'm so excited. It being black, I would have wanted a little lighter color, but at the end of the day, it's still cute. Okay, So I'm about to continue to do it. I'm not gonna record me doing like a lot of it in the back. I'm gonna come back though, probably like when I'm about to do like the sides in the front. So I will be back there. I'm not gonna just end it right there. It doesn't really. I'm still gonna show you guys how I braid. And it's gonna be better when I show you guys the front because you can see it better and I don't have to like bend my neck and try to turn around and stuff. Almost cussed. So yeah, I will be back though. Hey guys, I'm back. So I have got a lot done since the last time you saw me. This is what it's looking like. It's looking really nice, despite me really not being able to really see the parts in the back. They're not too bad. Let's see. But yeah, the back is getting there. I like to start on the back first. I like to start on the back first because I like to do the hardest, you know, first and then do the easy last. And the easy is the front. So yeah, you know, I'm still working on the back and it's looking really nice so far. You know, I actually spent like almost like 20 minutes on this one right here. So that's kind of something that really made me go slow in this process, but you know, I'm back at it. And you know, I'm about to do this section. I'll show you guys how I do this section right here. And yeah, I mean, I'm really liking how it's looking right now, even though I know I keep saying this, the hair that, you know, I wanted light is black. I didn't really think when I bought this hair, but it is what it is. Right now it is, let me clear some of my notifications off. So it is 3:16, and last time I told y'all it was 12:03. I probably started my hair like at 12:20. So it's been a couple hours, but you know, I'm cool. I'm watching Punk'd. It's keeping me busy. I was watching Dancing with the Stars earlier, but I'm watching Punk'd right now on YouTube. They really came in clutch with that, by the way. I think this is a piece of hair that I didn't braid. It's weird. I'll cut that. Just do it right now. Boom. Boom shakalaka. But I'm about to go ahead and do this. Watch Punk'd. I'm gonna show you guys how I do this section. Alright, y'all. So I'm done with that section that you guys just saw me do. I'm really liking how it's looking so far. I was kind of nervous because I thought this part was a little too big, and I already rented this and I didn't feel like, you know, unraveling everything. So yeah, like, it looks good though. I think it looked good, you know? But I'm very, very like, when it comes to the front part, because usually every single time I do the front part, something's wrong. So that's why I'm going to be very like precise when it comes to my front parts. But I got this much to go, y'all. Like, I'm still yeah, the girl here got it out together. So right now it is 3:37, and you know, I got this section to go, all of that. And so I'm just excited to get this done, but I'm gonna go ahead and eat. Well, I gotta warm the oven up, I should have done that. I don't like that. So it looks like I'm gonna be eating around 4:30, so, or 4:20, or 4. So since that's that, I guess I can keep braiding until, you know, it's 4. But I gotta run downstairs and turn the oven on so it can get heated, and I shall be back. But I'm gonna do some of it off camera also. Like, when I come back to y'all, I'm gonna have probably like this much to go. Okay, so basically I'm gonna be doing all of this off camera, so, which is a lot, and I will be back to show you guys the front. Okay, so I will see you guys soon. You'll see a lot done. Okay, hey guys, I'm back again. So we have a little dilemma here. With my crochet hair, I counted all that I have left, and it's 16. So what I did was I estimated, because I really want this to be in the front of my hair. If I'm running out, then I would rather it be, you know, in the front. So I like estimated, I counted, you know, this section. This is like 12. This is 12 parts that I can do with all that, with like this whole section. So the decision that I'm gonna make is I'm gonna use this spring twist hair for, you know, my leave out curls. This should be okay, and plus this is black 1B, but I'm in a little pickle, so I can't go anywhere right now and go out and get the rest of that hair. So I gotta do what I can do and just use this, and I don't think it should be bad anyway. So yeah, I guess this is what I'm gonna do. And you know, if I could, I would have bought that other, like, I feel like you do need 2 packs of that. Usually I like to like, did I buy 2 packs of those, that hair? Hold on, let me see. I don't know. No, I did not. But I'm actually going to use this one. This is actually one. So, yeah. I have to use what I have in my hands, which are these. And they should do the job that I need them to do, which is leave out, even though these are pretty thicker than what I got going on. You know, I just got to make it happen, you know what I mean? And I don't mind, you know, using that, it's okay. But yeah, so I'd rather stop talking and, you know, get started. And I will see you guys, like I said, when all of this is done. When all of this section is done, I will be back, okay? done. It is 8:58. It's 8:58 and I'm finally done. I would have been done probably at like 8:20, but I took that break where I ate and it was over for 40 minutes. So, but hey, it's done. It's done. I've been doing this all day. I sound tired, y'all. I'm exhausted, but it looks really good. I'm gonna insert a video where you can see it flow. But yeah, it looks really good. And I said that I was gonna like curl the bottom. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna just put it in like hot water, and I'm gonna also put mousse on it and touch up my edges. But it looks really good. It's really thick, and that's what I was trying to get at. I'm sorry I sound so like tired.